We all know how challenging it can be to keep kids entertained on a long hike. But don't worry, I got some great tips to make your next hike a fun adventure for the whole family.
Get one.
Okay, I'll find it.
There's more rhinestones in this. We need to find all of it.
Okay, let's look for it. Good job.
Begin the hike with a fun game. Try a scavenger hunt where your kids look for specific plants, rocks, or insects. This keeps them focused and excited.
Huh?
Dan has it. I have it. Find it? We got more pineapples!
What does that mean?
That has to be from up these trees.
Somewhere close by.
Is that the one?
Come
Yeah. Barbara.
How do you think that came?
Wow, man.
Let me hear. How do you think that got here?
I think it's because I found this in the I found this on the floor. I don't know how it got here.
What do you want?
Snack.
You hungry?
I want water.
You want a water?
Yeah.
Should we take a break?
Yeah.
All right, let's find a spot to take a break.
You guys tired?
Take breaks and keep energy levels high with the easy to carry, kid friendly snacks and plenty of water.
Who wants the water?
Me, Aliana wants it.
What do you want? Hermana wants the water?
I want snack.
You want a snack?
Go lead.
You guys are leading, huh? Where we have to go, guys? This way? This way? This way? No, it says this way. Okay.
Let your kids take turns leading the hike. This gives them a sense of responsibility and control, making the hike more engaging for them.
Whoa, look at these.
There we go.
I don't know. Berries. Berries. Hello?
Loaded.
Loaded. The car truck.
What do we have to do if we get separated on trail?
So you have to first stay on the trail, don't get off of the trail, and then you have to call for help.
Okay. So in the place where you get separated, you're going
Yeah.
or you staying?
And then if someone comes, they can ask you what happened, and then you can tell them that you got separated from your mom or dad.
Perfect. Good job.
Oh,
Woo! You guys found?
Yeah. Maybe there could be squirrels or something. Squirrel!
There you go.
We made it! High five!
Good job. Here you go. Thumbs up. High five. We made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. We made it.
We made it!
And there you have it. These tips are sure to make your kids engaged during your next hike. Remember, the goal is to make journey as enjoyable as the destination. And if you have any tips or experience to share, comment them down below, and happy hiking. Bye.